Aries, your primary strength lies in your boundless energy. Your life is like a constant charge. It's almost a mystery how you juggle everything. Take, for instance, your early mornings. You dive straight into action while others are still fighting off sleep. Remember last year when you tackled that apartment renovation? You jumped in without a detailed plan. You started with just an idea, grabbed your tools, and within a week, your space transformed entirely. Most would have grown weary or given up, but not you. You just keep pushing forward. Your ability, Aries, to dive headfirst into new endeavors at lightning speed is truly remarkable. For instance, have you ever decided to take up running, and just days later you find yourself completing a marathon? Those who hesitate merely watch, thinking, I wish I had that kind of determination. At work, you might suddenly realize you have the perfect strategy to boost sales, and without a moment's delay, you set to work. Meanwhile, those less driven sit back, hoping things will just work out on their own, while you charge ahead toward your goals. What about confidence? It's really evident in you, Aries. You might change your car twice a year, believing each new one surpasses the last. Why? Because you genuinely believe you can achieve anything. Your confidence shines through, even when those around you insist it's tough or even impossible. Remember when you took the bold step to start your own business, despite the doubts? They said the market was saturated, yet you stepped in and made it happen. Ultimately, your success stems from this deep inner belief in yourself. Your passion and energy radiate like light piercing through darkness. Take, for instance, that unforgettable hike in the mountains. None of your friends had ever ventured there before, but you rallied everyone with a simple, enthusiastic, let's go. Now, exhausted yet elated, they stand with you at the summit, all because your infectious drive inspired them. And remember how you enthusiastically likened snowboarding to martial arts? You became so engrossed in it that within just weeks you were impressing everyone with tricks, leaving your friends envious of your newfound skills. In general, the primary strength of Aries lies in the ability to inspire and lead. Your energy acts as a vital battery for the entire group, illuminating what would otherwise be a dull and silent atmosphere. However, it's important to remember that even the fiercest flames require moments of restraint to prevent consuming everything around them. By doing so, you pave the way for even greater victories ahead.